Hey guys, today I took Multi to the doctor, and doctor has told to apply the powder and stop the spray thing. And today Multi had like a grooming session, a foam bath she got. She was very cooperative, and she got injection so that this pain is not there and she can move around. So today she got 2 injection, again tomorrow 2 injection, and day after tomorrow 2 injection she will get. So this is the evidence that she is feeling good. Otherwise it was very difficult for her to come and sit on my lap.